in my channel. My name is Deepak Kumar. Today I am bringing a new topic on a sum ifs. How we can be use the sum if for conditional time series analysis. So I have created a scenario for that. We have the date, range and the sales. So you need to sum sales based on specific time conditions. It can be summing sales only on weekends or a specific date range. Specific date range means it can be either a quarter, quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, or it can be a half yearly. Means we need to find the sum use half yearlies. Right? Are you getting my point? So in this video, I'm coming with the task. We need to find the sum of the sales for weekends in January 2024. For the weekends in January 2024, we need to find the sum of the sales. For doing this, we need to add a helper column for the weekday. So I just write the name of the column, it's weekday, and we just need to find the date is weekend or not. Means if it is a 1st January 2024, it is coming on the weekend, either on the Saturday or Sunday, it is a weekend. So it should be right, it should be mentioned here a weekend. Either if false, it can be a weekday. How we can be filter out this problem? By using the Excel formula. Just write the condition of the if the logical test should be a weekday. We need to first find the weekday. The serial number, first argument, the serial number, we have selected the date, comma, return type containing the multiple argument, that is our 1, 2, 3. One numbers means that the days starting from day 1 is starting from the Sunday, and the 7 through the 7 is Saturday. The number 2 is day 1 starting from Monday through the through the 7 is on a Sunday. And similarly the 3, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and so on. But in this case, I'm going with the 2, that is our day 1 starting from Monday, comma, and it should be a greater than equal to 6. If its condition is true, then it should mention that it will be a weekend. Otherwise, it should be a weekday. And bracket close and hit enter. It is a weekday. If you look at the on the 1st Jan, it may be a any day. If I just want to show you that what is the day of on a particular date, it's 1. It is coming on the 1. And as I told you that it is 1 is coming on the weekday. That Monday is containing on the day 1. And if you look at the similarly on the particular day, that is containing the 1, 6, 7, 15, 21. The 6 is on the weekend and 7 is also on the weekend, but the day is 15 is not a weekend. As we go to the 20, it is on a weekend. Now come to the point that we need to find the total sales by using the formula of SUMIFS. Using the SUMIFS, first we will write the SUMIFS and give the range of the sum range. First argument is the sum range. We have selected the sum range, comma, criteria 1. Criteria 1 is basically we need to find the sum on the basis of the week end. So comma, we have selected the column of the weekday, which we have already added as a helper column. And now in a quotes we will write the week end, a bracket close, comma, Now criteria range 2, that is containing the in a square bracket, that is optional, but we need the another one criteria is also here. So we just write the select the date range, and inside the date range we need to pass the our starting and the end date. We need to specify the month of the January 2024. So just inside the quotes mention your date, which is it should be a starting from 1st Jan, that is 1st Jan 2024, or you can be write the 24 also, comma, and second go before going to the on a second we need to select again a range of the date range. We have selected the date range, comma. Now inside the criteria we need to pass the it should be a less than equal to 31st Jan 24 quotes close and bracket close, and hit enter. You will get the answer of the 8300. If you look at the weekend, that is containing the sales on the weekend is 1500, and it's 2000, again it's 1800, and it's a 1600, and it's a 1400. If you look calculate these values manually, then you will get the total sale is 8300. In this video, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.